Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are putting aftermarket wishbones on it. And I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but it's windy out here. But my dad already got the wheels off. And this car right here is a 2017 Lexus IS200 turbo. Alright guys, so we didn't find much information about this, but on this Lexus they had different camber kits. We ended up going with this one, which is a LYKT, and it's pretty cool. It comes with a bunch of instructions and stuff. It comes with this whole book. Pretty cool stuff. But what we did find out, it's supposed to be an easy job, but unfortunately we have to drop the suspension. We're gonna take that out and then proceed from there. All right, so we already took off all the nuts for the suspension, and right now he's about to drop it so then we could put in the wishbone, and let's see how this process goes. Very important, guys, very important. You unplug this sensor right here. You guys should be able to see, but this one right here, it's the ABS sensor. So I'll plug it from here, unbolt it from here, and yeah, don't make the same mistake I did. I broke the other side. Luckily it had enough to solder it back together, but very important, this sensor, take it off before you take anything else off. So that line that I was talking about, we're gonna take off the 10. That way it doesn't get ripped out. Again, we're gonna start taking off this castle nut. Very simple. This one right here, I like to give a couple taps with the nut on. And there we go, it dropped. Leave that on, get a 14. Get these bolts off over here. At this point, all I'm trying to do is just break them loose, because next I'm going to take off the suspension itself. Right there, those are loose. And now I'm going to take this out. So I'm going to take off this castle nut right here. This should allow for my suspension to completely come out. There we go. Watch that brake line. You don't want to extend it too much. So these are the two bolts that I'm talking about right here. We're going to take these out, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. And if you guys are wondering what these are air suspension that we got from Airlift Performance, and that's why it looks so round, because those are the airbags for when you can lift your car or lower it. You want to live a low life. So these ones are pretty clean. A lot of times you'll have muck here. Just want to clean it off. I like to put a little bit of anti-seize on here. See, just like that. This is this. I'm gonna replace this one right here. Alright. Oh, it's heavy. Wait, hold on. Yeah, that's some weight too. Oh yeah. Well, we're gonna make mom slower. Let's put a little anti-seize on there, just so it doesn't rust in there and never be able to take it off. So this is the hardest part, trying to hold everything together. Just kind of tighten it up by hand. Just gotta find it. There you go, it's threaded in now. Now we move on to the other side. Same bolt, a little bit of anti-seize. So what I like to do when I tighten it, I like to bring it up, more or less where it's going to be at, and then tighten it there. That way it doesn't have too much bind on there. That's it. Next process is putting it back together. I think I'm going to adjust the camber just a little bit. These things actually have camber and caster adjustment, so your alignment shop should be able to do that. Well, I hope so. We're gonna have to look for a good one to do this one. All right, so in this book, this car is a 2017
IS200t, and then this product works for all of these cars. So if you guys have one of these cars, it'll work.
So on the other side, I had an issue with this piece right here. It was backwards, so the curve has to go around this way. When I had it in there, it was the other way, and it was actually hitting the side of this. So curve this way and curve goes this way on this side. Just repeat the same process on the other side. So here we go, putting it back together. There you go.
Oh, you're right there. Alright.
Let's go another way.
Alright. There. Then. Looks like titanium. I think it is.
So now we're gonna put these in there. Right here, what I like doing is I like using the stock castle nut instead of this one. I just feel like it's a lot better quality, so I'll throw this sucker in. Just like that. That one's in there, cool. Now all I need to do is tighten the bottom, tighten the top 3 nuts, tighten this castle nut, put the cotter pin in there, sensor, 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 put it back in, plug it in, bolt it up, and we'll see you guys in a bit.
Alright guys, so they went to go get the car aligned and they put it to 0 camber, and right now it's fully dumped. And I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, but there's like a tiny bit of camber when it's down, but now there's not so much camber with this camber kit on it. It's way better, save tires, save money. I'm sorry if this was a short video, but my dad already did the other side, so that's why you only saw us doing one side. But if you guys liked today's video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on to get more content of cars, motorcycles in the future. But until next time, peace.